Hello guys, lovers of fashion. Hey, you that have a big tummy like my guys, don't worry. In this Christmas, you are going to put under your beautiful dress. You will be Amaya. This is the solution now. I've come with it because there is one dress, there is one gown I have to put on. I've made for myself, guys. But I unfortunately I can't put it on. But with this, I can put it on, guys. You with big tummy, don't worry anymore. You can put that your beautiful dress. You'll be Amaya. You'll be trying, you know. We that have kids, I'm a mother with 4 kids. After delivering and all, my stomach gets separated. There's the muscles, and it's very difficult to bring them back. I said I have time to dedicate on sports, gymnastics, but I don't have that time yet, guys. I just come with this solution. Don't worry, this Christmas is going to be the best, guys. Love you guys. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, please like and share. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's be family, guys. Oh God, this is the first time tying it. I really like it. I know I'm going to be beautiful in this Christmas, guys. Yes, let's rock it together. Wow. Hoo-hoo. Hey, you mother, don't worry. Go and acquire yours in Amazon. The elastic band, you can make it as a belly band and to tie yours. No, so beautiful, so good, so nice. I breathe very well, guys. I feel good. I'm not that good using other ghetto because it's so hard for me. Love you all, guys. See you in